Hey guys, my name is George Corotan and I am the researcher. In this video, I'm going to show to you two products that are being sold on Amazon with a very huge amount of discount. So the first one is the LittleBits Star Wars Droid Inventor Kit. Could be mostly for boys, but maybe some girls can also play with this one. But the other product is a KidKraft Majestic Mansion Dollhouse for girls. If we are just meeting right now, if you can do me a favor, if you can click on the subscribe button at the bottom of this video and the bell next to it so that you can get notified once I upload new videos onto my YouTube channel. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the two products right now. So the first product that I would like to recommend, which is sold in Amazon, is the LittleBits Star Wars Droid Inventor Kit. So the list price of this one, if you look at it, is actually $99.95. Right now, the price of this one is at $56.54, which is about 43% discount. And if you look at this one here, there's about 413 customer reviews. It's 4 out of 5 stars, and about 66% of those people have actually clicked on 5-star. One thing about this product here is that it requires a smart device. Make sure that you have either an iPhone and it has an iOS of 10 or even later, or Android, and you have a KitKat 4.0 or later with Bluetooth 4.0 or later, and an accelerometer. This is actually required because if you don't have a smartphone, you won't be able to control the kit. Another thing that I would like to recommend for you guys before you buy this product is just take a look at these pictures over here and see if there's video. So for this product here, you can see that there are two videos. So if you click on this one here, and yeah, this is going to show. Alright, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, again, this product is sold in Amazon. Right now, it's at $56.54 from an original price or list price of $99.95. So it's the holiday season. So you guys, if you like this product, make sure that you click the link at the bottom of this video and it will bring you to Amazon directly to this particular product. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. So the next product that I'm going to show to you is actually an Amazon's choice. It's the KidKraft Majestic Mansion Dollhouse. So if you look at this one here, the reason why this is an Amazon's choice is because there's a lot of people who have actually reviewed this product with 4.4 out of 5 stars. So the list price of this one is $202.93, and right now, because of the coming holiday season, it's currently priced at $143.99. And not only that, if you buy this product, make sure that you click on this coupon here because this will save you additional $3.84, which is applied at checkout. So when you buy this one, this is only shipped within USA. There's 34 furniture pieces and accessories, including a grandfather clock and a cute little kitten. 8 rooms of open space to decorate. They mention here it's pretty big because if you look at the girl standing next to the dollhouse, it's a pretty big dollhouse. One thing that I would like to recommend here, again, like the one that I recommended a while ago, if there is a video, just make sure go through that one and see what's in that particular product. So let's watch this one and see what's in this product. so again, this is a pretty good product here because the KidKraft Majestic Manson Dollhouse, yeah, the current list price of this one is at $202.93. And right now it's at $143.99, which is about a 29% discount. And then there is an additional discount, a coupon discount. Let's just make sure that click on that one. That's additional of $3.84. So if you like this product here, make sure that you click the link at the bottom of this video, and it will directly bring you to Amazon to this particular product. So again, thank you very much. This is the researcher, always bringing you the best products from Amazon. And I'll see you again next time in my next videos. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.